Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're going to make a super easy and quick recipe, and that's how to make garlic shrimp that you can serve as an appetizer. You can also serve it with pasta or even rice if you want. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So first we're going to melt butter in a large pan over medium heat. And then we're also going to add a little bit of oil, and this is going to help prevent the butter from burning. Now we're going to add garlic, lots of garlic, and we're going to cook it for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add red pepper flakes. I'm only adding a little bit, but if you want to add more, you can. And if you don't want to add them, you can add paprika or chili powder to add a little bit of color. At this point, we're going to add the shrimp. I'm using large shrimp that has been peeled and deveined, and we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes or until it's pink. And right before it's ready, we're going to add lemon juice. You can also add lime juice or even white wine. And then we're going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. Once the shrimp is ready, we're going to remove it from the heat, and then we're going to add parsley. I'm using Italian parsley, and every now and then I add cilantro as well. And that's your recipe for making a delicious garlic shrimp that you can serve as an appetizer. You can serve it with pasta or even rice if you want. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all of the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.